Hello friends, how are you all? Today in this video, I will start your chapter 1 rational number, and in this today we will cover two exercises, that is exercise 1D and exercise 1E. So starting from exercise 1D, question number 1. Find each of the following product. So here we have to find these product. Here first part we have given 3 upon 5 multiplied by minus 7 upon 8. So in this solution 3 divided by 5 into minus 7 upon 8, hereby multiplying numerator and denominator. So in this 3 will be multiplied by minus 7 and 5 will multiply by 8. So 3 into minus 7 divided by 5 into 8. So 3 into minus 7 will be minus 21 and my answer. Now on the same base you can do first part, second, third, fourth and fifth part. First part we have done. Now after this see question number second. In question number second you have to verify each of the following. So first part, here 3 upon 7 multiplied by minus 5 upon 9 equal to minus 5 upon 9 multiplied by 3 upon 7. So in this solution firstly consider taking LHS. So we can take 3 upon 7 into minus 5 upon 9 as left hand side. So by solving this 3 will be multiplied by minus 5 and 7 will multiply by 9. So 3 into minus 5 will be minus 15 and 7 into 9 will be 63. Now by further dividing minus 15 upon 63 by using common divisor 3, that means we can divide minus 15 and 63 by 3. So by dividing minus 15 by 3 it will be minus 5 and 63 by 3 it will be 21. So now taking RHS. So RHS is minus 5 upon 9 into 3 upon 7. That was RHS or right hand side. So in this minus 5 will multiply by 3 and 9 will multiply by 7. So minus 3 into 3 upon 9 into 7. Minus 3 into 3 will be minus 15 and 3 into 7 will be 63. Now here also we can divide minus 15 and 63 by 3. So further by dividing minus 15 upon 63 by using common divisor as 3, we get minus 5 upon 21. So from this we can say LHS equal to RHS. Now after this these two parts are there. These two parts are same as first part. So you can try the two parts. So this was all about our exercise 1D. Now we can start next exercise, that is 1E. Now in this exercise we have to simplify. So here we have given 4 upon 9 divided by minus 5 upon 12. So here solution, first convert this division sign into multiplication sign. So 4 upon 9 divided by minus 5 upon 12. When we convert division sign into multiplication sign, this 4 upon 9 will remain same, and when we convert this division sign into multiplication sign, then minus 5 upon 12 will be reciprocal. So here we will write 12 upon minus 5. So by doing reciprocal, this 4 will multiply by 12. So 4 into 12 will be 48 and 9 into minus 5 will be minus 45. Again in this 48 upon minus 45 will divisible by 3. So 48 divided by 3 and minus 45 divided by 3, so it will become minus 16 upon 15. So it will be the answer. On the same way you can try other parts, that is second, third, fourth and fifth. Now see question number second. In question number second, verify the given statement is true or false. So here we have to tell these statements are true or false. So taking first part, 13 upon 5 divided by 26 upon 10 equal to 26 upon 10 divisible by 13 upon 5. So here firstly consider by taking LHS, that is 13 upon 5 divided by 26 upon 10. So first of all we will convert division sign into multiplication sign. So 13 upon 5 divided by 26 upon 10 equal to, here this conversion of sign will be multiply, and 26 upon 10 will become 10 upon 26. So here 13 will multiply by 10 and upon, and this 5 will multiply by 26. So 13 into 10 will be 130, and 5 into 26 will be 130. So 130 will be cancelled by 130 and it will become 1. Now taking RHS. So taking RHS, 26 upon 10 divisible by 13 upon 5. So here also when we convert this division sign into multiplication sign, so it will become 5 upon 13. So here by solving it, this 26 will multiply by 5 and 10 will multiply by 13. So 26 into 5 will be 130 and 10 into 13 will be 130. So by cancelling it will also 1. So from here it is also 1 and it is also 1. So we can say that LHS will be equal to RHS. That means this statement is true. Now in the same way you can try the second part. Now next question. Yes, after this, see question number 3rd. In question number 3rd, the product of two rational numbers is minus 9. If one of the number is minus 12, then we have to find the other number. That means we have given the product of two numbers is minus 9. That means when we multiply two numbers, it will become minus 9, and here one number is given minus 12. So we can take, so we know that the given detail, that means given information, we have the product of two rational number, means product we have given minus 9, and one rational number we have minus 12, and we can consider that the other rational number which we have to find, we can take it as x. So now solving, that means when we multiply this minus 12 into x, it will be equal to minus 9. So minus 12x equal to minus 9. So for finding value of x, this minus 12 will be divided by this minus 9. So minus 9 upon minus 12. Now minus sign will be cancelled and we can also cancel it by 3. So answer will be 3 upon 4, or we can say that the other rational number is 3 upon 4. So 3 upon 4 will be the answer. Now see next question. In question number 4 we have the product of two rational number is 16 upon 9. If one of the number is minus 4 upon 3, then find the other number. So this question is also same. Now see, we know that the given detail, here the product of two rational number is minus 16 upon 9, and one rational number we have given minus 4 upon 3. Let us consider other number as x. So taking another number as x. Now solving, as we know minus 4 upon 3 into x equal to minus 16 upon 9. So for finding value of x, this minus 4 upon 3 will be divisible by minus 16 upon 9. So here we can say x equals to minus 16 upon 9 divided by minus 4 upon 3. Now converting this division sign into multiplication sign, it will remain same, minus 16 upon 9, and it will become multiplication sign. So here minus 4 upon 3 will become 3 upon minus 4. It will be reciprocal. Now again by solving, this minus 16 will multiply by 3 and 9 will multiply by this minus 4. So minus 16 into 3 will be minus 48, and 9 into minus 4 will be minus 36. Now see, by dividing further by 12, we can see that minus 48 and minus 36 both can be divisible by 12. So by dividing, minus 48 will be divided by 12, it will become 4, and minus 36 can also be divisible by 12, it will become 3. We can cancel this minus sign. So after solving it, 4 upon 3 will be the answer. So we can say that the other rational number is 4 upon 3. So this will be the answer. Now next question. See question number 5. By What rational number should we multiply minus 15 upon 56 to get minus 5 upon 7? So this question is same as the above. You can try this question yourself. So it was all about today's video. I hope you all like it. So try more questions related to this exercise. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.